Interesting train. It's a maintenance crew. I guess they probably ride in that car. But I haven't seen this done before. I gotta be careful. This is a car lot. They might think I'm actually interested in something. I think this is pretty cool. He is reaching down in the train cars and pulling boards out. These railroad ties he's unloading from there. And he's just walking that thing along the top of the train cars. Kind of cool, kind of neat looking. Maybe a little unorthodox, but hey, what the heck. Trying not to get nabbed. Now, you can't tell me operating a machine like that wouldn't be fun. Especially if it's involved in demolition, which I know this one probably isn't, but still. Those are new railroad ties, and they're going to be doing some work here. And they're moving the train a little. It's just a maintenance crew. And he's just moving along and dropping it as he goes. Kind of cool. I'd be afraid. I figure he's emptying the car. I don't know what he's doing to keep him from falling down in the car, or his caterpillars are wide enough, or tracks are wide. I don't even know how he got up there. He probably sits in the first car. Probably just sitting in the first car, the real small car down there, and that's how they transport him. But he's just trucking along. I just think it's kind of fun to watch. Maybe some people don't like it, but I do. Guy's walking along, you know, he's just going at it. This guy up here wants to turn left or right, I guess, but there's a left-hand turn, so buying me a little time. And they got kind of an old caboose, just retired, I'm sure. At least they didn't throw it away. I hate to see that kind of waste, especially if there's any federal money in it. Or taxpayer funded. But there it is. I'm not really watching, sorry if it's bad at this point.